Okay, so we replaced this control board because of storm damage about 2 weeks ago, and the client's called up and said basically one gate's not opening, so this is the far gate. So we've just tried to reset the limits, played around, but just done a ohms test on the cables, got them all joined, and I've got a short somewhere between here and over at that motor, so I'm going to have to try and pull in some new cable and pull out the old cable. Hopefully it's going to pull through quick enough. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so just opened up one of the J boxes. For anyone in the industry that does gate motors, these are called Scotch locks. These are not 4-gate motors. They're designed for Cat 5 cable. Yeah, cut all this away and hopefully we can pull new cables through. Love it when peanuts take shortcuts. So the wire comes down through the conduit through here, and he's run short. What he's done is he's just left it sitting here, so it's filled up with water and mud, comes through here, then we're going to track through here, so I'm going to have to cut all this out as well. Okay, so we've cut the old cable out. I just want to show you how brittle this thing's gone. So this is a 4-core security cable. You can see it was in the drillway. When you bend it over, all the sheath just breaks away. I'd say water's been penetrating that for a while, but yeah, get some new stuff in. Okay, all done. We have pulled through new cables from there, through the grass and the conduit. I grinder cut that back out wider, put new silicone in it, covered over the cables, back through there, back up to the control board. So she all works fine now. So the other thing is, if you ever wonder why a technician says to you that I can't give you a time I'll get here, I rocked up here thinking I was going to be here 15-20 minutes for a simple limit fault issue or something like that. Instead, I've been here over an hour and a half trying to replace cables, fault find. So just remember, guys, when you ask a tech what time, sometimes we can't give exact times. This is my last job of the day, so I get to go home now and have a beer.